Okay, what better than sunlight, right? So today we have your Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966. That's a very big name, Hot Wheels. Yeah, could you just couldn't just name it 90? Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint or Vespa 90. That's it. We could have got it, right? But anyways, Hot Wheels being Hot Wheels, and what I can say. What else can I say? I love this sunlight. Okay, you can see some shadows. Okay, my hand is here. I may have to switch to the normal lights. Yep, too much shadows. Just a second. Okay, no more shadows, but still the light is there. I think that's good. Just hold on 1 second again. Sorry about. So this is the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint in turquoise, teal, blue, whatever. I think this is just blue. Okay, some sort of different blue here. What blue is it? It's what blue? You know what, I'll just call it blue, and let's uncard it. When I got this, I really felt nostalgic. And again, if you're new here, you have to check out my other videos as to why I'm struggling with this uncarding. I've never been good with blades. Okay, oh, finally it is cutting good. Okay, so we've got this till here, and yeah, I thought the video was not running. So we have it in hand, and this has a stand. Okay, look at that, it has a stand, right? Okay, so now let's get close to it. Damn English. Okay, here you can see the Piaggio logo. Okay, and this is plastic, bro. What is this? Okay, this is plastic, and this is the spare wheel you got here. This is the logo again. What logo is this? Okay, can you read that? Let me zoom in. Okay, can we still now? I think it says something Vespa or something. It says Vespa right here. Okay, Piaggio logo. The what is this? This is the outlet or socket, or what do you call that? What do you call that? This is something for the related to the horn. Okay, this was the headlight. It is sorry, it is not detailed as you can see here. Maybe I'll do it, and definitely I will. There's a small seat. Is this a seat? Yeah, maybe for the kids. I think this was made, keeping Indians in mind. If you know, you know. Hot Wheels badging right here. Oh, not done very good. Completely not done. So this is also the handle there to open this toolbox. No, it is not handle. Okay. I think I don't know this vehicle at all. Yeah. So this is the tire, mirror tire. This is the front tire. This is the stand. Okay, here we have something. This is metal and Vespa, quite big and bold. Okay, well, what else can I say about this? I think this is a very risky move, with this being plastic. This has such good detailing. You see here the white handle cover and the aluminum or steel or silver color brakes, right? It also has this stainless steel chrome plating. Yeah, chrome plating, not stainless steel. Shit, we don't have chrome plating here. Still, I think it is pretty cool. Paint job has been done. Okay, at this till this moment I thought it was done good, but it's fine. You know how metal be, how Hot Wheels in India and Hot Wheels outside be. Okay, this side also there's a hole What is this? Okay, even this one is not done right. Okay, this is the part where so most of the cars that you see are assembled like top and below. This one is like side to side. This is what it is. Okay, and yeah, let me change the camera angle real quick. Okay, so this is how it looks in this angle. And there's a stand. It will not roll. Yeah, it won't roll at all, but you can, however, play and park it. And even this handles don't turn all the way towards on the one side or the other side. I think this is it. This is your video. This is the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966, the big name. And at the end of the day, I think yeah, I'll give it a solid 6. Oh, it's down to 5 now. Can you see this? The way they have what do you say, slap the two sides together. There's a big huge crease here. You will not notice in this angle. Yeah, but I think it is a pretty what do you call this, pretty known bike that you could buy. But also it is too much costly for 179 rupees that they give such broken styled bike. I don't know, but there you have it. This was it from the video. Not so short, not so sweet, but yeah. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, be happy, take very good care of yourselves and keep collecting. Happy collecting. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.